Hello everyone, welcome back to our brand video. Today I can show you how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store on your iPhone and iPad. So first of all, what you have to do, just tap here on review, and then from here you have to select your country. So I'm selecting here my country. So I'm selecting here Pakistan. Here it is. And after that, turn the toggle on for the agree to terms and conditions here, and tap here on next. And here you have to select your payment method at none, and then here you have to give your billing address. You can put fake one, and here you have to give your city or state name, and here you have to give the zip code or postcode for your city or state. If you don't know about the zip code or postcode for your city, you can search it on any browsing app. My zip code is 94200, and here you have to give the phone number. You can put fake one as well, and then tap here on next. So Apple ID completed, so tap here on continue, and then try to install the app from here. So tap on install and give here your Apple ID password, and tap on sign in. So as you can see, app installing right now. So my problem has been solved. So that's it guys for today's videos. The videos helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.